So here we are with Cayenne's puppies outside. Breezy and Abby puppies are outside too, but I'm going to focus on Cayenne's pups. These are the 4 chocolate tans in that litter. This is their first real big exploration outside. So some of them are a little unsure. There's Buddy. Buddy has his new name now. Yes. So now your family will know who you are when I'm talking about you. And there is Micah. Micah is next to Malibu from Abby's litter. Oh, and there's Buddy. And there is Topaz. Hi, pretty girl. And the little liver tan boy. And this is Rusty. And this is Chimera. It doesn't have a new name yet, but hopefully we will tomorrow when your family comes to see you. Yes. Won't we? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. We have a whole lot of chocolate going on, don't we? Yes, but you guys need to stay outside. Stay outside to play. Outside, outside, outside. Yes. Look, Micah's out there being bold, checking everything out, running around playing. The others are just kind of hovering next to the door. Not too sure yet about all this outside world stuff. But you're only 4 weeks, you got lots of time. Lots of time to figure it out. And who's playing with who behind me? Illusion. Mike is playing with a toy. Hey, puppies. Rusty, you gonna come inside? You coming inside? Your sister's already gone back. We're gonna go get her. Hello, Chimera. Hey, Rusty, go outside. Outside. Go, go, go. Go on. Go. 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 No coming inside. Come on, go outside and play. Micah and Buddy are being awesome. Look at them out there. They're saying everyone else is having fun. You got to get out there and have fun too. Yes, hello Twix and Lola, yes. And Kit Kat. Breezy, not your puppies. Don't feed them. Don't feed them. Hey, Rusty. Come on, go play. Buddy and Mia were thinking about playing. There's the liver tan boy, and yes, that's Mom. There's Chimera and Micah. And there's Buddy. You guys keep crawling underneath me. Stop doing that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Cayenne puppies. Chico! Hey! Quit picking on her. She's little. Cayenne. Chico, no. Come here, Chimera. Hey, babes. Hey, babies. I know it's cold out here compared to inside, isn't it? Come on, Topaz. You're good. Come on, baby. And you're doing good, too. Yes, you are. You're being so brave. Oh, and the Illusion's got the ball. She says, woohoo, I got a toy. Alright, that's it. That's it for Cayenne Puppies outside.